work and
right.
work, you know, but
Ah, look how beautiful, Joe.
Yeah, I do. I'm here the whole summer. I really need on it for business because I'm here the whole summer. And during the winter, I go to nursing homes, retirement homes.
Oh, do you really?
So this is truly your calling. Oh, isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Good. I'm Joe, by the way.
Bill.
Bill. Yeah, but this is my wife Susan.
And I'm Susan. Hi.
South Florida.
Oh, listen.
Are there
Polly.
others in New Jersey or in
Polly,
Not
want a
at those
cracker?
shows, not. No,
Is
at
that
those
right?
Be
You sort of
careful.
found a-
Polly.
What are they doing in Florida?
What'd she say?
Oh, I didn't hear that one. That was too fast.
Polly. Polly.
Obviously, Florida, yeah, makes sense because
Yeah.
it's close to
Yeah.
Polly.
native
And you
home.
can't get them out of there. Like,
Oh,
it's
really?
like, that's good. There's good money in it. So once they get licensed, they don't want to travel. That's the biggest thing. So I said, well, if they don't want to travel, nobody travels, I travel, and I'm hooked on it.
Yeah. Got to get a
Oh,
license,
look
like,
at
from
the
state.
baby.
I'm not from the state. I'm
Yeah.
not going to
Yeah,
pass
for everything, yeah.
And the little baby is how old?
That's 6 weeks. He said.
6 weeks old. Oh my gosh. And how long have you had the baby?
6 weeks.
No way.
Yeah, we have to hatch the eggs. No,
You
state law.
hatch
they
them
lay eggs, yeah.
yourself?
Yeah, we have to hatch them, yeah.
Oh, this is so cool.
Just to be able to have people hold them. So we got to be, you know, they have to be hatched by the person's handling it.
The small rodents fruit in the wild, but here it sounds like pretty much anything goes.
Yeah.
This is the exotic bird show in Ocean City, New Jersey. 10th in the boardwalk. Yes. Yes? Be careful, too close. Go away. Get away. Hello. 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 Hello.
Packer? Little packer?
Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh, and they don't move. They don't move.
For hours on end, I mean, they just sort of sit there.
Yep.
That's their comfort zone.
And what do they
They're
eat?
in a cage. Anything. Yeah, they'll eat anything. They like cheese and pizza.
Amazing.
The cheese, they go through 5 pounds of cheese a week.
No.
Kidding. Wow.
I
A lot
like
of
cheese
fruits
too.
and nuts and
Yeah.
pasta they love.
Oh, they are gorgeous. Yes, hello. Hello.